Welcome to ISE 2025. My name's Ben Davies from SSUM UP TV, and it is my job to take you through the smart home residential sector. Maybe we'll throw some speakers in there too. So should we go and take a look inside? Come on then, let's go. So as a residential installer, most of the tech you want to be seeing is in Hall 2 behind me. However, there is something that is unmissable at this year's ISE show, and it's in Hall 1. So follow me and let's go to Trinnov. So, potentially one of the best cinema demonstrations at ISE. I think it could be. This is the Trinnov, and a Ficina Acoustica, Sony, Kaleidoscope and Pearlison showroom. Okay, this is an incredible space. And I know that some of the guys that have been working on the marketing team have already had a listen to it. I haven't as yet, but I think it's gonna be something special. Don't forget, it's in Hall 1. So as soon as you come in, pick up your ticket, turn right, and you're here. You can't miss this. It's gonna get booked up really quickly, and it's gonna be something really special. So, Hall 1 out of the way, let's go to Hall 2. Welcome to Hall 2. This is where you'll spend most of your time. You are always greeted by the ADI Snap One stand, and as you see here, there's lots of new things, new and notable, as they say. I spy a new keypad. Have a little look at that. As you walk through, you'll see they've got their outdoor audio bits and pieces. There's a bar, but Ella tells me there's no drink. So, but maybe if you come to the Snap party, there'll be lots of free drink there. Oh, really good thing, they have training on stand, which is really good. Don't have to disappear off to another external area. You get to stay here and you don't have to faff about. Let's go this way and head to the aisles. Behind me, we have KNX, an absolute Goliath, spread over a good proportion of the hall. And as we move down, you'll find we've got RTI and we've got screen research. So we've got both cinema screens on one side with a bit of wisdom audio and some smart home on this side. Basalti down here with some very cool matching carpets and speakers. Who knew? We needed those things. Keep coming down. We have Meridian on one side, TG Audio and Velodyne. We've got the Rayco boys and girls. Give everyone a wave. There we go. They've got something new and notable actually out and about, so come down, come and see this. It's actually working on this stand this time, isn't it? Hey, the course, as they say. Right, what else have we got? KRA. KRA's got incredible speakers. This is speakers all connected together that you can keep binding them together and make them into one incredibly long speaker, which is very cool. Need to put it back because there's a man looking at me angrily. Oh, someone's cruising through.
Filming, mate.
So, speakers behind, we've got waterfall audio as per usual with their beautiful speakers. I think they're missing some because usually around about here there's a nice glass speaker.
They're here in the box.
Come on the day and they will be here. There we go. Surround, exactly how you say it. SRND, not how you say it. They're going to have something incredible on here if Simon can make it work, which he is very confident about. See, there we go, that's all we care about. Monitor Audio Group, these weapons under a little bit of cloth, ready to be unveiled. In fact, to be honest, lots of things. May as well, no one's here, pick up a bag. Let's come on, let's go. What else have we got? We've got Genelec, and we've got Dali speakers over this side. It goes on and on and on. So we've got lots of speaker brands, lots of smart home brands. Don't forget the acoustic boys are over here. Nick, say hello. This is an incredible booth, but they've got something even more special further away, haven't you? Yes, go and see Nick about it on this stand. He will direct you to the right places. All good, right, keep coming, let's go. We've got Ascendo Audio, who do some gigantic subwoofers. It's very true. This is actually one of their small ones. They do way bigger ones. It's very true, isn't it? Very cool speakers, very loud speakers. That's what we want in life. Keep going this way. So, we've got the Faraday boys and girls over in the corner. We've got Chords. Hello. Hello, James. Very good, thanks, mate. James is here. He's a stalwart of ISE, has to be here. Loads of cables. Go and speak to him. Don't forget him. I know he's in the corner, but you're always available. That's it. That's it. We've got the Faraday. We've got Pulsate. We've got Gallo. Wouldn't be a show without Gallo. Who else have we got? We've got Bang & Olufsen, of course, with all of their beautifully coloured speakers. Check this out. Very nice, very different, and I like it. It's on point. Arnovian, lots of diffusion, acoustic panels, but very pretty ones. Some with stars in. Hey, very nice. Come on then, let's get going. This way. Cedia booth. If you're not a Cedia member, why aren't you a Cedia member? If you want to be a Cedia member, this is where you need to come. They will let you in to this fortified castle of the Cedia membership space, and they will talk to you about how they can help you become a better installer. Now, Sonos, they have got a epically massive stand. So they've got a little home theatre over here. They're showing the new commercial speakers, which I'll point to. Don't come with me, David. This is their new commercial range, looking very cool. And they've got a bar, so probably free coffee. Definitely need to come over here just for that. And then they can talk to you about all the other stuff. And lots of people hiding behind bushes because I'm here. You probably noticed my monitor audio jacket. Right, let's go back this way. Come on. Through the jungle. So yeah, lots of very, very cool things to see in Hall 2. It's a super, super busy one if you're a residential installer. I hope you've booked lots of things. If you haven't, I'm sure you'll get to speak to someone. Cedia Stage, this is where a lot of the TED Talks are going to be. You'll be able to find that on the Cedia website, and maybe I'll drop the link below because that'll be super useful for everyone. But you'll see lots of people talking about home cinema and smart home there. Super useful. So let's go this way. SCP, cable brand, think Habitech do it, very good. Audio control this side, really big one for this year. We've got Lutron, they're always here. However, very cool stuff with the new RA3 bits and pieces coming out with colour tape, all that jazz. So really looking forward to seeing that later. We should be seeing them with RGB, is that correct? I think it is. We've got WallSmart over here, which basically make all of the tech disappear and look really cool. Which is true. Let's go this way. We've got Focal, we've got Name. These guys make super sexy speakers. Lots of different types, and from very small all the way to very large, much like a lot of other speaker brands. Sonance, as per usual, have come here in force. An absolutely epically big stand. Everything from invisible speakers, invisible subwoofers, to your generic in-ceiling speakers, home cinema speakers. If they haven't got a speaker that you require, then it doesn't exist. It's true. They make every type of speaker. There we go. Storm Audio over this side make very, very nice surround sound processors, and we've spoken to these boys before. We've got Mad VR in the corner. I mean, any cinema that's worth its salt needs a Mad VR in it because they are awesome. And we've got Demots over there, we've got sound control over there. We're back on the other side of K&X over here. And somewhere in between, we've got Steinway. Somewhere that way. Should we go and see him? Let's go and quickly see Steinway. So, we've got Savant over this way, which we kind of tucked into the corner as you walk down towards Hall 3. Hello, Savant. Very, very sexy outdoor Mediterranean vibe speakers from these guys. Seen them before, very cool. Where's Steinway? That way. That way, right, okay. We promised we'd go and see him, so we'll go and see them and then we'll get out of here. We've got Blind Space, we've got Sonance and James, and we've got Steinway down the bottom. And then we'll go to Hall 3, I promise. So yeah, this is the back end of Sonance's stand, and then Steinway Lindorf, and this is where we'll finish. It's going to be an epic space. I think they've got a bit of a home cinema demonstration over there. They'll have their mega soundbar on show. And Charlie's here, which has ruined it a little bit. But home cinema.
It's over that way.
It's over that way. So come to the stands, come and see Charlie. He'll tell you exactly where you can get that demo. Yeah, that's basically it.
Oh, we've also got a rooftop terrace.
And they've got a rooftop terrace, which is super useful. So come and see him, have a chat with him, and then we'll figure it out. Right, we've got one more hall and a tiny little bit left to do, which is like Crestron, LG, Sony. Do you have any bags? I'm collecting free bags. No? Okay, all three it is. I'll do. Hi.
Hi.
You okay?
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Thanks, mate.
Come on.
Oh, I feel mate. Jesus. Ripped.
Thanks, mate.
Fucking tiny.
I'm pretty jacked. So, finished up my little cuddle with Steinway in Hall 2, and we've landed in Hall 3. Now, not so much residential AV smart home, however, we have got Crestron, obviously one of the biggest smart home providers in the world, in Hall 3 as you come in. Really exciting. I know that there's going to be new processors, I think, anyway, on the outline going to be announced at the show. They always comes with something very special, so don't forget to hit up Crestron. Hall 3 out and around that is mostly big display stuff. So behind us we've got Lang, we've got Samsung down that way. We are talking the wow big boy stuff in here. Mostly showing digital signage, if I'm completely honest. However, lots of this will filter down into the residential market over a period of time. So we've got Panasonic behind us. To my right hand side, we have Epson. And as you can see behind us, I think this was here last year, the LG stand, which is almost like a small city. So we've got Christie to the left hand side as well, and we've got Legrand behind all of that. Don't miss out Hall 3. It's definitely something that you need to get involved in, just because it just shows where technology is going to in the large format display kind of arena. And plus, you can't miss Crestron. So this is Hall 3. I've done Hall 2. I've finished Hall 1. There is some little nuggets of AV, smart home, residential applications in the other halls, but we are talking very niche products. I think Polar end up being in the middle of nowhere. So you might have to find these out on the floor plan first before you get here. But yeah, the majority of your time will be in halls 1, 2, and 3. And that is me out on build day 1.